What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to fix Logitech G HUB not launching. So if you're having this problem, there are two things you'll need to do. Simply go over to your settings by clicking on your start menu, then click on settings, and then we're going to go over to apps. Our goal here is to look at the installed G HUB app. So you're going to click on apps on the left side bar, then click on installed apps, and then you're going to search for Logitech G HUB. So once you find your Logitech G HUB, you're going to go over to the right side of the Logitech G HUB app and then click on more options with the three dots right here. Of course, what you want to do is to click on uninstall because that might be an app that has a problem. You want to click on uninstall, and once it's uninstalled, you go to your store again or go to the site and re-download it once again. So this can be as easy as searching for the Logitech G HUB download, and you scroll down and select the right one right here. You can see logitechghub.com software G HUB. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to this page where you can make a fresh download. If it's Mac OS or if it's Windows, you can go ahead and choose what applies to you. Reinstalling the G HUB might just fix the problem in case you're dealing with an old or corrupt old app. And that's why we had to uninstall it in the first place. So reinstalling it again, you could try to see if it works, and if it does, great. But if it doesn't, you might need to just check one more thing. Go over to your settings once again, then go over to Windows Update. You see, if you're using an out-of-date Windows, this might be the fault right here. So you'll need to check for updates, and if there are any, you need to make sure that you're up to date. So after uninstalling and reinstalling your Logitech G HUB and updating your OS, that should solve the problem. If it doesn't, that might mean that you have a problem with the hardware itself. So go ahead and try these two steps to fix your Logitech G HUB.